glue.
This is Fred having a bit of fun, humping the teddy's face. Look. And he's finished nearly. Oh, does he want to do it again? Oh. Oh. Oh, and he's on again. And this is very good stuff by the 5-year-old. Oh, and this teddy looks like he's having the time of his life.
Let's go again.
And Fred is looking worn out. Oh, but he's got another round left in him.
He's on the attack.
This is quality stuff. This is... Oh, he's done it again. Look at them hump muscles go. This is quality from the Fred. This is... Oh, he's really pushing it now. Oh, yes. Go, Fred, go. Push it like you've never pushed before. Oh, he's looking tired. Will he give it one more? Look at his face. Will he give it one more? Will he give it one more?
I don't know,
He's looking tired. He's looking tired, but will he... Oh, he's on again, he's on again. Look at this go. This is absolute quality from the Fred boy.